Hello friends, in this video you will learn how to use RSI indicator strategy to trade binary options. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I'll bring more video like this. And if you haven't an account on IKEoption, I have left a link in the description of this video. Sign up through that link. So now let's get started. To use RSI indicator, firstly you need to go here and type RSI and click on here, and everything is okay. Just click on apply. So now we have one overbought region and oversold region. So before starting to use RSI indicator, let me explain you something. So actually what happens whenever the price goes to overbought region, people click on lower, and whenever this brinjal line goes to the oversold region, then people click on higher. So but I trade a little bit in a different way, so I am going to show you that. Firstly, zoom out the chart, and as you can see it is a complete downtrend. So in such case what I usually do is I only trade on overbought region by using RSI indicator. So it is at oversold region and it signal us to click on higher, but if you go with higher when the big trend is downtrend, then you will lose your money for sure. So let's see in any other chart. In Euro USD, so it is also in downtrend. So we'll see for an uptrend, and I'll also show you by making some trade. It is also in a downtrend. It is also in downtrend. Let's see in any other. So as you can see it is moving up in when we zoom out the chart. So in such case when this brinjal line comes to oversold region, then we can click on higher. So let me firstly clear all the chart. So in this case whenever it goes to overbought region, we'll go with lower. In this case whenever it goes to oversold region, we'll make a trade on higher. So I'll firstly would like to explain it furthermore. There are two more things you need to know. So as you can see the big trend is downtrend, and in such case what we can do when it is in oversold region, we cannot click on higher. So if you see previously there are lots of call at the oversold region. So what we can do is whenever it reaches to oversold region, we can make a trade on lower. Okay, just let me invest $1 here. So let's say I clicked on lower. So now what the possibility may be that it can make a call, and then only after some while it can go up. So in that way also you can make trade in such case. So in this case market is moving on uptrend and the price is at overbought region, and in such case what we can do is we can click on higher. So let me invest $1, click on higher. So it is just a vice versa but same scenario. This may make some call here because it is moving upward. Okay, so now let's wait for this two trades to close and then we'll see. So as you can see in one trade we were wrong and in another trade we were right. So now we need to wait for this brinjal line to reach the overbought region, and then only we can make trade on lower. So if you want to make a trade instantly, then you need to see that this brinjal line is below this oversold region, and most likely it will make some call here. So in that case you can go with lower. So as you can see here, previously there are many calls in below when it was in downtrend, and so many low calls in above. As you can see here also, it is in uptrend and there are many calls in the overbought region and less calls in the oversold region. So it would take more time for me to wait for this line to go to overbought region and for this line to go to oversold region. So I would be unable to show you the trade, but you can do practice in your demo account. And please do subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more strategies that you can implement in a simple and easy way. So thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.